Alright, hey guys, welcome to another outside video. So today, we're going to be investigating what the woodpecker did to the tree fort.
Yeah.
Alright, so, show you guys.
That is a big spider web. I think we should go the other way.
Yeah.
Can you hold my tablet?
Sure. Okay.
Okay, guys.
There you go.
You.
Okay, so alright, let's see what it did from back here.
Whoa.
Look at that, guys. I don't think you can see
I
it.
can't zoom in.
Because of the sun.
Let me zoom in.
Okay, I don't think you guys can see. Oh yeah, you guys can't see it. We're sorry. Oh god. But you guys see that? You guys can't see the hole though.
Maybe it would be probably like better at night or something.
Yeah.
Oh god, that's a giant spider web with a bee inside it, I think.
There's a spider web right there. Okay, so I'm sorry that you guys can't see it, but we'll see you guys in the next video, I guess.
I'm gonna do this.
So a tour on tree fort. Ladder.
And
tree fort right there.
can you hold this at me?
Wait, okay. Look at that. Okay.
Hold mine at me, okay?
Okay. So you got like towards you.
Yeah.
You ended it.
No, I didn't.
Alright guys, so tour on tree fort's done and there's a huge spider web. As you guys can see right there. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!